Good morning, children. Today I am going to start your third lesson, locating places on the earth. This one is geography part of your subject social science. Dear student, as we know, distance and location is very important for knowing any place, either for locating any place. If we have proper idea about any place, from the same place, if we want to identify another place, then there is a need to know about the direction. As we know, there are four cardinal directions: east, west and north, south. Over the map, either on the globe, distance and direction have great importance. Below side of the map, always distance are written with the help of scale. If suppose 1 centimeter distance on the map denote 100 kilometers, it means if we start to measure distance of two places, then we can identify and declare what is the actual distance between the two places. How it will possible? It is possible by the calculation. Suppose distance between two places is 4 centimeters after measuring, and scale show 1 centimeter 100 kilometer. It means distance between two places 400 kilometers. Landmarks, either reference point. What is landmarks? What is reference point? Landmarks, either reference point, one point on the map through which we can identify another place. Suppose temple, either church, mosque, rivers located on the map. These are the landmarks. These are used as a reference point. It means from the river, in which direction, which part is located, from the temple, in which direction, which part is located. If we find with the help of given temple on the map, then temple, river, these all are working as a reference point. Dear student, do you understand reference point? Do you understand what is benchmark? I hope after watching this video and reading the given paragraph in your book, you have better understanding about this paragraph. Now, dear student, as we know, Earth is in spherical shape. Spherical means nearer to the orange like fruits. it's neither have any corner, either edge in any direction. There is no any corner. There is no any corner because the shape of the earth is in spherical, in round shape. So that is why there is difficulty to locate any place by using a reference point. So, as we know, earth is rotated on its own axis, rotating on their own axis. By this way, imaginary axis of the earth, imaginary axis here and there, imaginary axis of the earth used as a reference point for locating any place. These imaginary axis of the earth is known as North Pole and South Pole. One is the North Pole, another is the South Pole. One line divide the earth into two equal halves. It means two equal parts from the middle part of the earth's surface. This imaginary line is known as equator. In Hindi, Bhu Madhya Rekha. Bhu means Prithvi. It means the line which passes from the middle part of the earth's surface, known as equator. Equator divides the earth into two parts, one part and another part. From the equator, above the equator, first part is known as, due to using North Pole as a reference point, Northern Hemisphere, and by using South Pole as a reference point, southern parts of the equator is known as Southern Hemisphere. So we can say over the earth there is two hemispheres, Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. There is two pole, North Pole, South Pole. Two hemisphere, Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere. One imaginary line which divides the earth into two equal parts is known as equator. I hope you have better understanding regarding this topic.